Hello, welcome to my video. Today we will talk about ZKTecho biometric devices. ZKTecho is a brand that provides biometric time and attendance devices. They have a variety of devices. They provide RFID card, fingerprint and face recognition in these devices. And even some OEM manufacturers like ESSL, they get the devices built from ZKTecho and they sell under their own brand names. So there is a lot of market presence of these devices. They provide their own software with these devices for getting the attendance logs and other purposes. But some clients they have their existing systems, for example ERPs and databases. They want to get the data from devices into their database or system, and sometimes they want to integrate with their existing systems. So these biometric devices, they have two protocols through which they send the data to the PC, for example. The two protocols are push protocol and pull protocol. Today we will talk about the push protocol. In push protocol, the device acts as a client. This can be installed at any remote location, and it will need internet access. If actually it can work on the local network as well and on the internet also. So what the device will do is, whenever there is any event, for example someone checks in or checks out using fingerprint or face recognition, this data will be sent to the server. For this to work on the server, there must be an application that receives this data and process it and save to the database or whatever. But the problem with this method is that the push SDK or this protocol, this is not public from ZKTecho, and they provide this only in their own software. So, but still there are some clients who want to integrate devices using push protocol with their own systems. For this, we have built push protocol, and this can be used to integrate the push protocol devices into client systems. We have provided this solution to a number of clients. For example, here are some of my projects on Freelancer. This is one, and this is another one, and this one using push, and here is another one. So we can provide this to anyone who wants to use. We can provide source code, and we can provide customized integration. Here I will show a short demo. This is a short application. It implements the push protocol. When we start the application, it starts listening for incoming connection from the devices. We have one device configured, so a connection will come here soon. So we can see the data is coming from this device, and here we are saving this data into a database. There are many things that we can achieve using this push protocol. For example, if you have multiple devices on the network, so it is possible that we enroll a user in one device, and then its fingerprint or face template will be received in our database, and then we can send the same user info and templates info to all the devices on the network. So it becomes very easy to use and manage the devices. You enroll on one device, and the user can check in, check out on any of the devices on the network. So there are many features like this that can be achieved. They all depend on the use case. So we can provide this push protocol implementation to the clients who want to use them. Thank you so much.